Hey there, it's Melissa, and I wanted to hop on today to share with you a little more of the details about what is going to be happening for my 2024 New Year's Magic workshop. Believe it or not, I think the first year I'd offered the New Year's Magic workshop was in 2016, and I've done it every year since. So this has become an amazing tradition around here. If you've been in my audience for a while, I'm sure you've been in some of these workshops or have heard about it. But this year, I'm doing something very new and different. So, although I'm still calling it the New Year's Magic Workshop, the content of the workshop is going to be new and exciting and something that I've never offered before. Okay. So, I wanted to be sure that if you've been around a while, that you knew that distinction. Okay. So, the content that's going to be offered this year is based on one of the Wayshower's college courses, which is called Magnetizing My Future with Positive Energy. I felt like the new year is a perfect time to do this course. So, we are going to go through a process. First of all, we're going to review 2024. And the cool thing about this workshop is that you're doing it with the help of your spirit guides. You are going to work with spirit and be able to review each month of the past year, getting a key word and understanding the growth that you had each year. You may have had some ups, you may have had some downs. I was joking with my partner recently that for me, 2024 was the year of the broken ankle. In late February of this year, I broke my ankle. It took me several months to recover. I was laid up for a long time. It was a challenging time. I was in a lot of pain, right? So that was a challenging experience. And I know that there was so much growth from that injury that I never would have had otherwise. So that's the kind of thing that we're going to look at. Although you may be disappointed, or, I've heard people say, I can't wait for this year to be over. Let's bring in the new year. But let's take a moment to really reflect on the amazing growth that you've had and the successes that you've had, whether they be spiritually or materially. And then here's the really exciting part. So, in this course, there is going to be a technique that we work with, these magnetizing my future energy charts. So let me show you what it looks like. It's just a little handout here. And you are going to work with a partner to create these energy charts based on working with guidance. Okay, so please don't feel like, oh, I'm not ready for that. I can't tune into guidance. I can't do that for somebody else. I hear that a lot from people. Oh, I'm not ready for that. I'm not advanced enough. If you're watching this video, you're attracted here for a reason. Okay, so these kind of experiences are really going to help you to know, hey, I am able to tune into my guidance. You just flow with it, you just trust it. And experience is the way that you get confident with this. Okay, so please don't hesitate because of that. So, the cool thing, think about what you're going to receive. You're going to receive an energy map month by month. We will probably just cover the first 6 months of the year. Um, I don't want to overwhelm you, and it would take a while to go through all 12. Maybe we'll be able to revisit this in June and do the last 6 months of the year. Or you could continue the process here on your own later, right? But hopefully, we'll have time to go through the first 6 months, and you're going to have that energy blueprint for what's to come for you, right? Just like astrology predicts the future, you are going to have your own personal energy map. So you can see that you're going to get these keywords for each month. You're going to get some insights about areas of personal growth and refinement, insights about working with people, loved ones, and business associates. You're going to get some insights about, I can't, for me, it's backwards. I think for you, you can see it the right way around. I need to read it. Preparation for future months. So, abundance. Is it more inflow or outflow? Tools you might need, training and experience that your guides maybe recommend for you. So, for each month, you're going to have this blueprint to work with for yourself. This is going to be just a really exciting tool to have and to create with each other in the workshop. Okay. And then also, we're going to be working with setting some goals, not in a big deal way. I've shared with some of my clients that sometimes the word goals I have resistance around, but think of it as setting intentions and covering all the different areas of your life, including spirituality, because that is what the foundation of everything else that you're doing in your life. You're also going to experience cleansing techniques, healing techniques, very experiential things that will really raise your vibration and get the new year off to an amazing start. So, I wanted you to know more details about what is going to be happening in the class. Get excited. I know this is going to be high energy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be insightful. Details are all below, but just so you know, we are doing this on 2 separate dates. I wanted to schedule it at a time of day that's good for multiple different time zones. And I found around 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern time is good for that. So it's going to be on Sunday, nearly said January, December 29th from 3 to 7 p.m. Eastern, and on New Year's Eve, Tuesday, December 31st from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So just before you go off to your New Year's celebrations, you'll have a little boost of positive energy there. Or if you're down under, it's already going to be the new year. We'll be jealous. You're already in 2025. So I can't wait to share this with you. If you have any questions, email support@communicatewithangels.com. I hope you can join me. I'll see you really, really soon.